Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we will talk about the One UI 7 update. So the One UI 7 update is one of the most anticipated update of the Samsung, as with this update you will get to see a complete new UI design and the new Android 15 update. The previous update on the Samsung was the One UI 6 update with the Android 14 update. That update brought some Galaxy AI features, and now we are anticipated to see that what new features are coming with the One UI 7 update along with the new UI design. If you want to see an early access to the One UI 7 update, so you can install the beta version, as the One UI 7 beta version is already been released, but this One UI 7 beta version is limited to some countries. Also, after installing this beta version, there are some chances that you can face a data loss. So if your device and country is eligible for the One UI 7 beta version, so make sure to make a backup of your data. Now talking about that, what S series will get the One UI 7 update. So from the Sam Mobile, we have this tentative device list which includes the devices including the Galaxy S24 Ultra, S24 Plus, S24, S23 All Series, S22 Ultra, S22 Plus, S22 and S21 FE, S21 Ultra, S21 Plus and the S21. According to this tentative device list, these are the devices which will be getting the One UI 7 update. Talking about what new we can expect to see with the One UI 7 update, so we will get to see some new battery features. Also, we will get to see a new control panel design, as we know that with the One UI 6 update, the control panel was completely redesigned, and now with the One UI 7 update, it is going to be redesigned again. Also, with the new update, you will get to see all new icons of the apps. As I told earlier, the UI design is completely going to be changed with the One UI 7 update, as this update is going to be one of the biggest update. Talking about the release date, so we already have the One UI 7 beta version. So talking about the official release date of the One UI 7 update, so the One UI 7 update will be released with the release of S25 series, and the release date is officially yet not confirmed. But soon in the upcoming months, we will get to see this new update. And that's all for today's video. This was a quick video to tell you about the device list of the S series for the One UI 7 update. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.